Bonjour et bienvenue à notre chaîne French Pro Global. Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel French Pro Global. Today I am going to teach you a very important topic that is important for my dear students who are going to appear in the examination tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So on their request I am recording this video just to help my dear students. Alright, so I hope you are watching my video and you are taking notes, and if you have any doubt you can ask me during the live classes also. Alright, so today's topic that I am going to teach you is here, Les Adjectifs Démonstratifs. Les Adjectifs Démonstratifs, in English we call it demonstrative adjective. So now we have to understand what is demonstrative adjective. So in demonstrative adjective, basically we have to use it to point out or to identify object, animal or person, alright, or place. For example, in English you must have done in school time also, like this boy, this girl, that girl, these students, okay, those students. So these are basically demonstrative adjectives, okay. So now we have to understand one important point, that demonstrative adjectives are always used before a noun. Let me repeat again this sentence, demonstrative adjectives are always used before a noun. Alright, clear? So please write down in your notebook. Okay, now let me tell you, there are 4 demonstrative adjectives here that we are going to learn today. Okay, so the first one is ce. Okay, in French there are 4 demonstrative adjectives. Okay, ce, ce we pronounce it ce. Ce, it means this or that. Alright. So this is used before a masculine singular noun. Alright. So ce is used before a masculine singular noun. Okay. Second one is cette. How do you pronounce it? Cette. And cette, it means also this, that, but this is used before a feminine singular noun. Okay. Cette is used before a feminine singular noun. Clear? Now the third, cet, how do you pronounce this? Cette, cette. Okay, it means also this and that. Okay, so this is used before masculine singular vowel starting noun, or a noun that starts with H silent, which means H silent means there are some words in French which starts with H, okay, and H is not pronounced, okay, so there H is silent. तो वैसे noun से पहले, before that noun you have to use cet, set. Alright, okay. Now fourth is ces, and how do you pronounce it? Say, say. So say is, it means these, those. This is always used before a plural noun. Okay, if a noun is masculine or feminine, it doesn't matter. If noun is plural, blindly you have to use say. Alright. So now you have to understand one more thing. Again I am going to revise. Ce will be used before a masculine singular noun. Cette is used before a feminine singular noun. Feminine singular noun, it means if a noun is feminine, whether it is vowel starting or not. But a noun is feminine, 110% you have to use cet, set. Okay. But set is used, set is used before a noun that is masculine, plus that noun should be vowel starting. Okay, which means a noun which is masculine plus vowel starting. Okay, so there you have to use set. But if noun is masculine, okay, but that is not vowel starting, tab kya use karenge? Then what will you use? Then you have to use this. Okay, so this will be used before a masculine noun that is not starting with vowel. Okay, but set we have to use before a masculine singular noun that starts with vowel. Okay, or a noun that starts with H silent. Okay, say will be used before a plural noun. Okay, I hope the concept of demonstrative adjectives are clear, where you have to use, what are the demonstrative adjectives, and what is the meaning of these demonstrative adjectives, okay, and what is the definition. So this is clear. So first of all, you have to clear your concept of demonstrative adjective, and then we will work on the examples. Now I have explained all the rule. Now let me give you some examples. I have written here 4 examples. These examples are very easy to understand demonstrative adjective. You see the examples. Ce garçon, example number 1. Ce garçon est intelligent. This garçon is a boy, is intelligent. So this boy is intelligent. Ce garçon est intelligent. Why I have used ce? Because garçon is a boy plus it is a masculine noun, okay, and plus singular. So we have to use, as per the rule, ce will be used before a masculine singular noun, and here garçon is a masculine singular noun, that is why I have used ce. Second example, cette fille est très belle. This girl is very beautiful, okay. So why I have used cette? As per the rule, cette will be used before a feminine singular noun, and here fille is a girl plus masculine, it's a girl and a singular noun. So feminine singular noun. So fille is a feminine singular noun, that is why I am using here cette. And the third example is cette, C-E-T. As per the rule, cette will be used before a masculine singular vowel starting noun, or a noun starts with H silent, okay. So cet hôtel est très grand. This hotel is very big. Grand means big. So why I am using cet here? Because here the word hotel is a masculine noun plus it is starting with H silent, because here H we don't pronounce in French. We don't pronounce hotel, we pronounce hotel, okay. So H is silent. So as per the rule, cet is used before a masculine singular vowel starting noun or H silent noun, okay. So H here is silent plus masculine noun. Now the fourth example, ces étudiants habitent à Paris. Ces means these, those, hai na? Ces will be used before a plural noun, okay. So here étudiants, you can see this is plural, S hai na, this is plural. Ces étudiants, these students, okay. Habitent, live in Paris, okay. Ces étudiants habitent à Paris. These students live in Paris. So this is how we have to use demonstrative adjectives. All right. Let me write some more examples to understand. Okay. So what I am going to show you in other examples, that demonstrative adjectives cannot be only used in the beginning of the sentence. We can also use in the last. Okay. But these demonstrative adjectives will always be used before a noun, okay. Okay, let me show you that examples, because sometimes students are confused, can we only use in the beginning of the sentence? No, you can also use after that, okay. Let me write one example. For example, I write j'aime ce garçon, है ना. See, here I have used demonstrative adjective here. J'aime ce garçon, I like this boy, okay. We can also write elle aime cette école. Elle aime cette école. Yes, I have used cette here. She likes this school, okay. So why I have used cette here? Because école is a feminine singular noun, okay. So feminine singular noun के लिए we have to use this cette, okay. And garçon के लिए we have used ce, because ce will be used before masculine singular noun, okay. Maybe some other examples. For example, j'aime cette, okay. I like this hotel, okay. J'aime cet hôtel. So why I am using cet? Because hotel is a masculine singular noun plus H is silent, okay, or jam say wheel, okay. So here I am using say, jam say wheel. So I like or I love these cities, wheel matlab here city, okay, and it is plural, so it is cities, okay. So jam say wheel, I like these cities, okay. So what I am trying to say that why I have given you these 4 examples, because in these examples you see demonstrative adjective is not in the beginning of the sentence. As per the rule, demonstrative adjectives are used before a noun. You see, this is a noun, this is a noun, this is a noun, this is a noun. So demonstrative adjectives are used before a noun, and it means this, that, okay, these, those, and I hope this is clear to you. And if you have any doubt on this topic, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also ask during the live class. All right. Till then, please revise, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now and share it with your friends, because this is something that motivates me to record video for you. All right. So all the best for your examination. Au revoir. See you in the next video.